do it yet. Okay. I will do it first and then you will follow me. Okay. So ideally, this pepper solution, crushed pepper in water, because of the surface tension, it should just start jumping when I touch it. Ah, yes, 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 yes. Did you see? Did you see?
Yes, ma'am.
It's
Okay,
moving.
Miss, I'll just bring a bit more pepper.
Yeah, it is
Majority is
working.
dissolved.
It is definitely working. Definitely working. So these are called as, surface tension. It is happening because of the surface tension. You saw that it immediately got cleared, right? In the middle. So I will explain you that why this happened. I was extremely careful and I took, I think, very little dish soap,
Ma'am,
but it did work. Yes, beta, tell me.
ma'am, I have a doubt. Will this much work?
Ah, yeah, why not? Let's try. Let's try. I will actually put you on focus. Okay, just a second. Yes, yes. Show again how you did. Oh, wonderful. Yours was actually better than mine. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Jumping peppers.
Ma'am, look again.
Yes, yes, yes. Wonderful. Great. Aditya, are you ready with your experiment? And who is Itachi Uchiha? No, Itachi Uchiha. Yeah. Sanat is Itachi Uchiha. Can you please, you also turn on your camera and I think it will work for you also. Okay.
Ma'am, I am right now doing it.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Let it be on the table. Let it be on the table. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, yes. Very good. Wonderful. Wonderful. It worked. Very good.
Yes, ma'am, it worked.
It worked. Very good.
This thing kind of absorbs the pepper.
It is changing the surface tension of the water, that's why it is happening. Very good.
It works only one time, is it, ma'am?
No. I actually used very little amount of.
Ma'am, it works like around 5 times.
Yeah, it works. It works quite a bit. It works quite a bit.
Actually, Miss.
Yes, beta.
My Zoom just crashed. That's why I had to rejoin.
No problem. I just a second. Itachi is ready with his experiment. Okay. Yes. Let's see.
Itachi has Itachi on his table.
Oh no, it is working, but I think you need little more dish soap. Okay, get more soap. I think, but it is working. It is still working. Yes, Arohi, beta, tell me.
Ma'am, all of my.
Continue. Yes. Show me. Yay! Very good. It did. I'm so proud of you that all of you have got it perfectly. Very nice. Perfect. Okay. So this is some of it. Okay.
Sound effectively increases the sensitivity of people to.
From here, let's.
That was very windy and gusty, and so there was less of a sense of discrete phenomena like stars or galaxies and more of a sense of movement. Because the sound in this is so uncommon that it gave me a little bit of that creepiness where you start to get the sense of your own minuscule tininess when trying to comprehend big, huge forces like that.
It was so exciting that a project that we had started during the pandemic as a way to connect with a community resonated, pun intended, I guess, with a much wider part of our planet.
Nowadays, nature it feels as if all nature serenades with a mystic melody. And then it gets better.
And she is also
the
blind.
Gets better
Okay?
as I hear how galaxies arch across the celestial dome. What happens is that the information that the satellites gather is light. And usually, people like me who dedicate their lives to physics and astronomy, etc., convert that light, that information gathered by the satellites, into numbers. And those numbers can be converted into a sound.
So I have a very dear friend, Dr. Wanda Diaz. She is an astronomer and a computer scientist, and she's been blind since she was a teenager. She was really my inspiration. That's how I first learned of data sonification. She has told me these stories of how she would be in math class at university and her professor would just be writing equations on a board and she could not access that information. So for her to study the stars, she relies on data sonification so that she can translate that information to something she can hear and therefore process and therefore study. So for her, data sonification is an actual step of scientific research.
This is how sun sounds. Close your eyes and listen how it feels.
Ma'am, like this.
Yeah, close your eyes and then try to hear it.
Sound effectively increases the sensitivity of people to signal detection. And I think it's crucial that the training begins in school. Let's not leave out people with disabilities.
These are exoplanets.
Exoplanets sound like this.
Yeah.
Even if we're not
yeah.
scientists, I think that curiosity or that awe or that attempt to understand the cosmos and infinite space, I think that's something that all humans have in common.
It's kind of like listening to a poem in a language you don't know, because if you're not a scientist, those concepts are, I won't say foreign, but they're just not in your everyday parlance. They're not things you deal with every day. So it's dense. There's so much to take in.
Worth the effort, though, right?
Yes. Yeah, it's so rewarding.
I first met Matt and Andrew from System Sounds at a visualization conference that we had all attended a couple years before the pandemic, and I really admired their work.
System Sounds is a science art outreach project. So the basic idea is that we take data from space and convert it into music and sound for outreach, to inspire, to educate, and to make space more accessible.
We just decided to work together to try a few of these data sonifications based on Chandra data and to see.
At the center of nearly every galaxy lies a monster, a giant black hole millions or even billions of times heavier than the sun. Some, known as quasars, or active galactic nuclei, shine brightly from across the universe as they continuously devour surrounding gas. But most are dormant, lurking invisibly for thousands of years, until a star passes too close and is ripped to shreds. That triggers a months-long tidal disruption event, or TDE, which can shine as brightly as a supernova. A cosmic titan has been illuminating the night sky with violent emissions since the black hole it devoured 3 years ago began burping out debris from its messy stellar meal. Located in a galaxy 665 million light-years from Earth, the black hole was seen in October 2018, ripping apart a star that had strayed too close. Astronomers have seen many violent collisions between stars and greedy black holes, so the event itself didn't surprise them. This tangle of spaghetti-like matter falling into the black hole causes it to heat up and emit a burst of light, which can be seen by astronomers from great distances. This stellar material is occasionally expelled back into space by the black hole. To put it another way, black holes are notoriously messy eaters. This TDE, labeled AT2018HYZ, is, however, odd in the following ways. The black hole is ejecting debris from its last